Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Nur Fatasha dan tiga rakan saya iaitu Siti Nafateha, Nura Auni dan juga Nur Sabrina. Okay, problem scenario is education. Okay, next, table of contents. Okay, industry that we choose. The issue arise from the COVID-19 pandemic. The problems of microeconomy. The solution to overcome the problems of microeconomy. Conclusion. And the last one is reference. Next, I will pass to Nura Auni.
Okay, the industry that we choose is education. Yang mana kita tahu Malaysia sekarang telah mengalami situasi di mana berlakunya penularan wabak COVID-19. Penularan wabak COVID-19 ini telah menjejaskan pelbagai industri di Malaysia termasuklah industri pendidikan, education. Okey, antara isu yang timbul dalam COVID-19 ini untuk industri pendidikan, antaranya adalah pendidikan yang perlu dijalankan ataupun menerusi dunia maya iaitu online class. Yang kedua adalah cabaran buat guru dan pelajar untuk meneruskan pelajaran secara online class. Yang ketiga adalah kesan negatif terhadap ekonomi pendidikan. Yang keempat adalah jumlah pekerja yang terpaksa diberhentikan disebabkan COVID-19 ini. Okey, ini adalah gambar-gambar ataupun apa yang saya dapat daripada artikel online untuk topik problem scenario iaitu education. Okay, the problem of macroeconomy. First is business cycle. The first step is pure. At this pace, economy have high level of output and trade, increasing demand and higher employment level and income. For example, prior to the occurrence of this COVID-19 transmission, the education industry is one of the important sources of the country economy, generating many sources of income and trade, as well as high number of jobs occurring. The second one is recession. At this pace, economy experience the downward pace where there are a decrease in volume of output, aggregate income and consumption expenditure. There are also an increase in the level of unemployment. For example, employees such as security guard, cleaning works will experience unemployment. The third step is true. In this phase, overall level of economic activities will fall to the lowest level. For example, because of COVID-19, school or various level of higher or lower education had to be closed to reduce the COVID-19 epidemic. Because of this closure, the sources of the education industry resources on the economic field. The last step is recovery. Recovery is a period of revival leading to an upturn of the economy. For this situation, the collapse of the education industry, the government has taken remedial measures by allowing only compulsory students such as Form 5 students who need to undergo SPM, Polytechnic students who need to meet a legislation in workshop, open job opportunities back to unemployment and others to generate the economic income of education back. Okay, the next problem of macroeconomy, I will give to Sabrina to explain more. Thank you.
Okay, the problem macroeconomy employment. The type of employment is personal employment. This may be the first time or re-enter for young people will leave education and will lose their job for a period of time. Okay, example, a student may decide to wait and find a suitable job rather than taking a part-time offer at a local McDonald's. Okay, next, clerical employment is a component of overall employment that result directly from economy. Fluctuation cycling employment is voluntary. For example, when the education economy field school had to be closed and workers such as teacher were evacuated and security officer, cleaner were forced to quit. Okay. The problem macroeconomy in inflation, such as an increase in the cost of living can be classified as inflation. In other words, the cost of living increased when Malaysians buy anything important from abroad or go abroad. A double degree was introduction in Malaysia. The cost of a degree from Monash University or Curtin University undertaken locally is still more expensive than a local degree. Okay, for example, if the Ministry of Education cannot restrain the enthusiasm of most parents, they send their children abroad higher to turn fill it up their serving. They are serving, okay? Saya seterusnya Fatihah.
Selanjutnya saya akan menerangkan tentang the solution to overcome the unemployment problem in macroeconomic. Yang pertama iaitu unemployment. Langkah yang perlu diambil ialah a better education. Maksud dekat sini untuk memerangi pengangguran adalah penting untuk meningkatkan taraf pendidikan orang ramai supaya lebih mudah untuk mereka mendapatkan pekerjaan. Contohnya di situasi COVID-19 sekarang, semua kelas sekolah kebanyakan ditutup dan semua pembelajaran dilakukan secara online dan semua pelajar perlu masuk ke kelas secara online lah. Pada ibu bapa sendiri juga guru, ibu bapa kena berhati dengan pelajar dalam kelas. Contohnya dalam kelas online dan guru juga perlu berhati dengan pelajarnya dan tidak boleh terlalu keras dengan pelajar. Okay, kebaikan dah yang ini dapat membuatkan pelajar tu rasa lebih teringin untuk belajar dan bersemangat untuk meneruskan pengajian agar mereka dapat mencapai pekerjaan dan kejayaan dengan lebih baik pada masa dewasa. Saya serahkan kepada Pak Tasha.
Okay, next in conclusion. Okay, in conclusion, the COVID-19 pandemic has a high impact on education and the government must be responsible and united in its effort to help students who need help in learning. Okay, the effort to make our children successful is our joint effort. If all parties take the right role, surely our education can also be the best in the world. Okay, next reference. Okay, kami ambil bahan ni dalam link ni lah. Terima kasih.